Hi guys, and welcome to Shelly's Homemade. Today we're going to be making crab cakes. For the crab cakes you're going to need, of course, you're going to need 1 pound of crab meat. I have a pack of Ritz crackers, 2 eggs, some Old Bay seasoning, some garlic powder, mayonnaise, mustard, Worcestershire sauce, onion powder, and black pepper. And for that, and for the top of our crab cakes, when you put it in the oven, we're gonna spray this on, so it gives it amazing brown crust right on top. All right. So first thing, and we have 2 tablespoons of onions, 2 tablespoons of, I have an orange bell pepper, a green bell pepper, parsley, and some celery. I have 1 tablespoon of celery. Okay. Now, I'm just going to get all of this into our bowl, just like this. All of that into the bowl. I'm going to crumble some crackers into the bowl. And get them open. And I like to just crumble them to the top, just like this. And we don't want to have a lot of filling, but we want to have enough filling. Okay? We're going to crumble our cracker crumbs right in there. How you do it? Right in the bag. No mess, no fuss, no muss. Now, if you wanted to make more crab cakes, you can just double this recipe. All the ingredients will be in the description box, guys. Don't sweat. All good. Alright. Let's get some mayo in here. Not too much. Just enough. A couple tablespoons. Not too much. We don't want to just it be too loose, and then we can't form it into patties. Alright, so there's a tablespoon of mustard, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Everybody like to call it the W sauce, but it's Worcestershire sauce. Alright, we'll get our eggs in here. That. That's the side. And get some onion powder in here. Some garlic powder. Some Old Bay. Not too much. Just enough. You don't want to make it salty. Get some black pepper in, because remember, the Worcestershire sauce has salt in it. Old Bay has salt in it, and the crab meat itself is a little salty. So we don't want to overpower it. So now we just mix all of this up, just like this. Just get it a good mix. And look at the beautiful color that it brings and everything in there. And this is what we're looking for. Now, when we fold in our crab cakes, we won't break up the crab meat too much. Alright? Now, let's open up crab meat. Alright. Get it open. crab meat. Now, just slightly break it up and with your hand, just slightly, and that way you can feel around for any type of, you know, shells or anything. Now we just folding it over, just like so. Just a fold. And you know what? Cannot forget something very important. A teaspoon of lemon juice. Right in there. Now we can just fold it in. Look at that. That is beautiful crab meat right there, guys. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Alright, folding from the bottom. Make sure you just scrape off everything from the bottom onto the top. And now we have crab cakes. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is move our cookie sheet that I have lined, and I have already sprayed the bottom pan. So I'm going in and grabbing up some crab meat. And just pat me out some crab cakes. Is it in there? So beautiful, guys. Just make sure you tighten it up with your hand and just get it in there. Show you another one. You want all the crab meat. Let's fill in. You're gonna taste the crab meat, guys. Alright. I'll tell you this. When you get it on there, just make sure it's just nice and tight. Nice and tight. Do it again. Again, we don't want crazy looking crab cakes. So you're going to broil this in there for about 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 and 20 minutes. Alright, that's right in the middle, just like that. I'll take these gloves off. Now you can take some melted butter, just pour it right on top, and I'm just going to spray, just like that. There we have it. Beautiful crab cakes, guys. Let me get this in the oven. When we come back, we're going to have ourselves some crab cakes. Alright guys, so we're back. Look at these crab cakes. So beautiful. Look at them. So, it was a quick, easy, simple dish. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. And as always, have a wonderful day. You will not be disappointed by trying these crab cakes, guys. So again, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next video.